In this video, I'm going to tell you how to create your collection. Uh, the collection which help you in SEO and in search engine optimization. First of all, click on collection and click create collection. Before you start the collection, do a little bit research. Choose proper name as per your business nature. Try to find a better keyword to target in your collection. This is one-time job. We cannot change or rename our collection in long term because it's create your collection SEO URLs which is not changeable every day. So before we start, we need to do a little bit work on that, which will help us on long term. Choose this is a battery website where we create their battery related collection. So we choose like a 24-hour lipo for battery, and then we choose we create their meta title which is suit like 24-hour battery. We target this keyword, we create LiFo 4, we create battery, we target the batteries, we target the wholesale and their company name, which will help them in terms of SEO. Here in the description also we help them, like they are wholesaler and they are manufacturer, and they target temperature control products and long life cycle products. So these all things help in long terms for the SEO purpose. And also we choose the right SEO URL, short URL which exactly suit exactly relevant to their catalog, to their collection. We can upload also image for the battery, which also show to help to show in the uh, collection in the front side website. Once we create, we save the collection and we come back to the collections. Now here we create a 24-volt LiFePO collections. Also we can view the collection in the front side website. Now the collection is created. We can see the URL, SEO friendly URL, and now we can use this in our homepage editor to assign to any section. For example, we have a section, this section which is we showing our catalog or collections. We add a new collection we just created and we will see how it look. Now if we go to the front side website, you can see that the collection is connected and we can see it in the front side website. Next, this is the same repeating job. As many collection you need for your website, you can create. In the next video, I will show you how to upload a product and assign that product to a specific collection.